empty space is beautiful because we see an opportunity. Success doesn't just happen, it happens by its desire. By bursting good ideas, we turn ideas into reality. We specialize in corporate interiors for any business. We deliver your vision. We are Futura Corporate Interiors. Listening closely to our clients, ensuring client perspective and aspirations. Like a game against ourselves, we work hard in units, work smart as a team. With state-of-art panel processing facility, manifested through craftsmanship, leaving an impact so deep. Days creating a vision, lights bringing them to life, giving our best to our customers, and we grow with them. Pictures are worth 1,000 words. This is what we deliver on time, backed by a strong service team. This is what we are built on, with standards soaring high. Client satisfaction rockets the sky.
Futura is quality and service for us.
Post-service delivery by Futura is very excellent.
Futura has done excellent design and timely completion. We thank you to the team.
Futura is excellent in bringing 3D design into reality.
I should compliment Futura for ensuring that every single project of theirs is adequately insured.
I appreciate professional approach and personal client attention.
We are changing the empty space. Futura Corporate Interiors. 25 years of excellence.